Hi everyone, this is Miss Sitaram from Sparkling Memories, bringing another broadcasting. Today we are also gonna do some taco season ground beef, all the late fixings to make your nacho or your tacos. These are all the ingredients in front of you. We have the onions, the tomato, red pepper, green pepper, taco seasoning. Got the original, where we have the Italian season. And the pan already, we have cilantro, we have rosemary, parsley, garlic, all that great stuff. Now we gotta start adding all these things down a cutting board so you can get it started. Hey everyone, now we have everything in the pot. We have the onion, the bell peppers, the red and green. We have tomatoes, we have rosemary, parsley, garlic, all that great stuff. Before we actually start to put in the beef, right over here we have the ground beef that we're gonna add to that mixture. Get a nice look at the beef. That's what we add. So I did a half of a giant tomato. A lot of times people will either use tomato sauce, ketchup, so many other different things, but we're gonna make a nice traditional taco seasoned beef, and all these other spices are just things to give it even more richer feel and richer taste to your food. Okay, after you added the beef to the mixture earlier, it will look something like this because the beef still has to get cooked. So you have brown and red. The browns are the ones that are already cooked, and the red are the ones that need to cook because they're still pretty raw. You're just gonna let that cook down. Of course, you don't want to add any water to it. You see right along here, it mixes its own water because it's ground beef. You won't have to add extra. That's why when we first started, we use it butter or margarine to get started and not oil because you don't want your food to be really oily when it comes to that. As far as this liquid, it's going to be like that. You have to keep turning it and you can always put a cover over it until it fully cooks because you want to have it brown like this. But here is the cook. Here's the cook. You just kind of mix it all in there until it gets to the point where it's actually cooked. One of the key things you don't want to do is add taco seasoning right away. You want to add it when it's almost done so we get the rich flavor. If you add it before, it's going to be a light tasting taco seasoned beef. You want to have the full flavor of it, so when it's almost cooked, then you put it in. Okay, after you toss and turn it for a little while, it should look something like this. Get all the pink out, it should have a nice golden brown color like that. The liquid you see is actually from the beef itself. When it actually does the cooking, you add all the oil into your frying pan. So you just leave that simmer for a little while, probably a few minutes, because at this point it's almost done. Now is when you want to go ahead and add your taco seasoning. It is taco seasoned beef with all the nice trimmings. And come up later, we're gonna add some chips, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and turn it into our nacho with some ground beef. Okay, everyone, here we have the finished product. We have the chips, we have the green lettuce, all diced. We have tomato, we have the cheddar cheese, shredded, and on top we have the sour cream. So next time, we'll see you from Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.